Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Shilvy Inayatillah and then I'm the last speaker. And today I'm gonna to share with you about the conclusion of strategy and method. Strategy is a series of activities that have been designed to achieve goals effectively and efficiently carried out by the teacher and students, whilst method is a method by use the teacher to implement plans that have been prepared in the form of real and practical activities to achieve learning objective. And then the differences between strategy and method. The first is strategy. The first one is it is the new term belonging to education technology. This term is firstly used in military science, and number two is it is used to create appropriate teaching learning environment which help the students in attaining teaching learning objective. And then the third is it is assumption is that teaching is the science, the quite technical nature. And number four, it is quite flexible in its application. Number five, the emphasis is laid over teaching activities for the proper organization of teaching learning environment. Number six, the effectiveness of strategy is evaluated in terms of realizations of set objective. And the last is behavioral. The objective and teaching condition are two basic elements of teaching strategy. For example, Blackboard is a strategy to provide visual structure during a lecture or discussion. Free writing is a strategy for encouraging students to explore ideas in writing. And then method. Method is all term related with pedagogy. And number two, it is used for the effective presentation of specific content of the subject which help the student to understand it. And then the third is assumption is the teaching is an art. And number four, the steps taken in method are quiet, rigid, and fixed. Number five, the emphasis is laid over the instructional step tag for proper presentation of subject matter. Number six, the effective of instructional method is evaluated in terms of master over the subject matter. And then the last is the content and mode of presentation are two main elements of teaching method. For example, discussion method and lecture method. Okay, that's enough for my part. Thank you.